Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility. This is where speech features live. Once in Accessibility, make sure you can navigate. If TalkBack is speaking, use 2 fingers to swipe and single tap to select, then double tap to activate. This prevents accidental taps while you change settings. If you prefer search, type Accessibility or Text-to-Speech. In Settings, search to jump there quickly. Doing this first saves time because it gets you to the correct controls without digging through unrelated menus. Once in Accessibility, locate TalkBack or Screen Reader and turn it off with the toggle. You do this first because TalkBack changes how taps and scrolling behave. Next, tap Text-to-Speech output to check the engine and voice settings. Select None or choose an inactive engine to stop speech. Make sure to confirm any prompts. After making changes, test by tapping menu items to ensure speech stopped. If speech persists, return to Accessibility to verify both TalkBack and TTS engine settings are disabled. To finish, reboot your Realme so system services fully reset and the text-to-speech engine unregisters. This often clears lingering audio. Make sure to check individual apps like e-readers or navigation apps because they can have their own TTS toggles. If speech still occurs, open Accessibility and choose Reset Settings or Restore Defaults to revert any hidden toggles. One key troubleshooting tip. If TalkBack prevents normal navigation, connect a USB or Bluetooth keyboard and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Z, or use the Accessibility shortcut to turn it off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.